Before this ad hoc committee, Lieutenant General Nkwenazi alleged that I had been directly linked to a suspicious transfer from Mr. Matlala. It is alleged that I sent Matlala a bank account number that was not in my name, but that of a third party, and that Mr. Matlala subsequently deposited money into that account and later sent me the proof of payment, and that I acknowledge receipt of such payment. This communication is said to date back to 2024. And then your response was, I have not seen the text messages that were referred to by Lieutenant General Nkwenazi, and I confirm that I do not send any text messages and that I did not send any bank account details, whether belonging to me or a third party, to Mr. Matlala. I can also confirm that I've never received any payment from Mr. Matlala, whether directly or through a third party. Now, you don't need to respond because just before we adjourned, we received a text message, and subsequently we had a short conversation with Lieutenant General Nkwenazi, in which he says that this allegation is withdrawn. The team, and you probably know better than us, that was working on the analysis got the bank account number wrong, and that it's not a reference to you, so the allegation is withdrawn with due apologies from Lieutenant General Nkwenazi for any inconvenience or hurt caused.